Hello everyone. I'm here to give you a brief introduction on the learning management system. LMS is actually an online platform where a student of UDEL Center Open Distance E-Learning National State University visit to have their lectures, access learning materials, access lecture videos, take quizzes and tests and other feedback that will be given by the facilitators and the student. So if you are finding it difficult to access the learning management system, which is the LMS, you are at the right place. Let's get started. So firstly, if you're using a system or a computer or a laptop, or you're using a mobile device, all you can access our learning management system. All you need to do is ensure that you have a browser on your computer or your mobile device. A browser such as um, Chrome. If you have Chrome, you can access the learning management system. If you have Microsoft Edge, you can also access the learning management system. You have Mozilla Firefox browser, you can also access it. If you have Opera Mini, you can also access it depending on which browser you desire to use, but ensure you use browser. But I recommend you to use Google Chrome browser because it has some security and it's easier to use, and most of your credentials like your password and your username are being protected by the browser. It has a kind of security, so I would recommend you use Google Chrome browser when you want to access our LMS platform. So firstly, you need to open your browser. All right, you typed the address, which is lms.unsuk.edu.ng. This is the website for the portal address. This is the portal address for learning management system, and hit enter. You wait for it to come up. Here we are. You have the learning management system coming up, and you have it here. You have it. This is the dashboard, and this is the learning interface. All right. Firstly, you can see it has so many options and caption on the ribbon. We have the home tab, faculties, courses, um, gender studies, UDL, ICMS, and other more activities there. But what we're majorly concerned here is ODEL, which is Open Distance E-Learning. So we're major concern here. Your focus is ODEL, all right? ODEL. So firstly, if you look at it on the top right corner of your screen, you will see login/register. You have to click on the login register button, and here you are. All right, so if you are a student, you log in with your matric number. Take for instance Odell 2026 part 001, and you enter your password. It's very important you log in with your matric number and your password. All right, by default the password is 12345678 by default, but after you log in you can decide to change your password to whatever you want, so that only you have access to your profile. All right, so for now, for the student, you are supposed to use your matric number and password want it to have access to this learning management system. But as while other staffs can use their staff ID and also their password. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to use my username, my password. So in the moment I'm done, I'll click on login. Click on login and you wait a little bit. You are logging. All right. So if you click on profile here, you see your information, your profile, your grades, calendar, private file, report, preferences, and others. You can also log out. You can see log out button there. So you go to the top and click ODL. Click on ODL. The moment you click on ODL, you have the open distance e-learning platform. This way you access all your learning materials here. So we all know that the program is BSc Public Administration. All right. So you can click on the category program. It will come up. We have years of study and duration. We have from 100 level, 200 level, 300 level to 400 level. All right. Yes, so you choose your level. It is very, very important you choose your level. Take for instance, you're a 100 level student. You click on the image of the 100 level student. So you can also choose. It's very important you choose which semester are you currently on, first semester or second semester. So let's go with the first semester. You click on the first semester. All right. So you can see the list of courses that are available for you to take. You have ACC 111, CMP 111, accounts, ECO 111, GS 111, GS 112, GS 113, Part 111, Part 112, Psych 111, SOC 111. All these courses are the courses you're supposed to offer in first semester 100 level. All right. Yes. Let's take for instance you want to check CMP 111. You can click hello to CMP 111. All right. You have this. You have this interface. They have been they have been uh they have been stationed based on study section 1, study section 2, study section 3, study section 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9, 10, and 11. The ODL management, in its wisdom, see how they can give you a breakdown of what you're supposed to learn from study section 1, from week 1, what you should be able to achieve. You can see in study section 1, you should be able to achieve introduction to computer science. All right. And the first one is the lecture video. So you can click on it, and you can play it and listen to the lecture. So let's hold on and listen for the video in a few minutes or seconds. I think the video is taking much time. All right.
Everyone, welcome to the National State University Cafe Open Distance E-Learning Center.
So we can
My name is
you can see the video has come up. You can listen to the previous video even if you are not in class, you are absent, or your resumption was late. You can actually follow up with the video. Now this video explains all the topics in all the course outline that have been supposed to be taught for study section 1. It explains everything. So here you have the slides, the study slide that summarize all what has been taught in study section 1. Yes, once you click, it automatically downloads to your computer or your mobile device, so you can see study section 1. You can open it and also read the summary. Now here we have the lecture notes. There's a lecture note, lecture material for what for the course. You can read about the materials, read about the authors. You have everything on the LMS. You can read all the details that you're supposed to know about the course. It's very, very important. You can still go back. You can as well download it. Then you can also have an assignment. You can click on assignment. You have an assignment for the week. You can click uh, uh, as a student, you click and make your submission. As a student, you will not see view all submission because I am a staff. um, I should see a different privilege, but as a student, you should see the assignment and you see the due date of the assignment. You can just click and work the assignment and submit. Very simple and easy. Same to study section 2. We have the video, the slides, the the, the lecture notes and assignment for that very week. I think basically this is all the LMS have, and so many other things. We have, if you look at the ribbon here, we have, group and privacy. This group, you can as well have a group discussion uh, between the student and the facilitator, and also contact. You can also contact the management of ODL. You can also, if you have a complaint or there's anything that you feel ways to recommend to see how we can improve this program, you can send a message and it gets to us. So you also have a notification ring bell. Yes, ring bell toggle menu for you. Whenever a facilitator posted an assignment, you will be informed. All right, now here is for your profile setting. You can change your picture. You can customize your profile picture. Yes, you can see your information and all the courses that you can access, and you can see the number of courses that you have accessed last. you know so and so many other details. You can see reports, you can see the login activities, privacy policy, course details, and so many things here. All right, that I don't with time we get to know all of them, but in summary, this is what it entails. And uh, you cannot actually study 100% without all this. You need these materials, you need all this video that those lecturers took their time to explain in details what it actually means. So I encourage all the students, both new returning students, should hands up. I encourage both new and old students should hands on elements. Make it at the point of duty, visit elements and access all learning materials. Thank you. you know Once you're done, you can log out. Yes, don't forget to log out. Log out. So thank you and have a great week. So if you have any question, you don't understand anything, you can contact us on our official line, or you can contact us on our website, official website, odl.unsuk.edu.ng. We are here for you, to guide you and to ensure you achieve the best in ODL Center. Thank you and have a lovely day.